Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Call Annie and signing in. Make sure microphone and notifications are enabled. Once done, select the contact or enter the trigger phrase tied to the Only Way workflow. You need account credentials and 2FA if prompted. Enter them promptly so the session doesn't time out. Test your network connectivity now and switch to Wi-Fi if latency looks high. This gets you past setup quickly and puts you straight into the actionable flow. You now select Only Way mode and confirm the session parameters the interface displays. Next, follow the guided prompts, state intent, add context, and wait for system confirmation. Speak in short, clear phrases so voice parsing stays accurate. If prompted to approve actions, tap Confirm quickly. Use on-screen controls like mute, hold, and transfer to manage the interaction. Also watch response timers and live logs, so you can adjust phrasing if Call Annie misunderstands a command. You finish by selecting Finish to save the session transcript and close the workflow securely. Confirm any post-action prompts. Once complete, review the logs and export the transcript to PDF, TXT, or sync to cloud storage for records. If something goes wrong, try quick recovery steps. Restart the app, clear cache, or switch networks. Relaunch Only Way and repeat the last few steps. If the issue persists, collect the error timestamp and contact support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.